now. I'll do a series of videos on the 90-word tasks as there's quite a bit to discuss, but we'll focus here on 4.1 specifically. But when you start looking at it, when I say 4.1, on the foundation paper it's question 4, on the higher paper it's question 1, and the same question appears on both papers. So notice that you've got to choose which question you're going to answer for the 90-word task. So is it option 1, is it option 2, and then or you may even have 3 options, as is the case in 2020. So just make sure that you look at them all, decide which one you feel you can answer best. Okay, let's have a look in more detail at option 1, in this case for foundation paper 4.1, or the higher it'll be 1.1. So it says, escribes un blog para una página web sobre el tiempo libre de los jóvenes. So you write a blog for a Spanish web page about the free time of young people. Mention. ¿Qué hiciste en tus vacaciones el año pasado? What you did on your holidays last year. Si prefieres ir de vacaciones con tu familia o con el colegio. If you prefer going on holiday with your family or with school. ¿Qué vas a hacer para celebrar tu próximo cumpleaños? What you're going to do to celebrate your next birthday. ¿Qué actividades te gusta hacer para ayudar a otras personas? What activities you like to do to help other people. Escribí aproximadamente 90 palabras en español. Write approximately 90 words in Spanish. Responde a todos los aspectos de la pregunta. Answer all aspects of the question. So let's have a look at how it's marked. 10 marks for content, 6 marks for quality of language. You must make sure you answer all 4 bullet points to get in the higher marks for content, and make sure that what you write is accurate. So focus on what you know how to say rather than trying to invent stuff that you're not sure about. And make sure you get opinions in there to get the higher marks. With the 6 marks for language, make sure you use a variety of vocabulary. In other words, don't repeat yourself. I'll do a separate video to talk about how you can get good complex structures in there, and also make sure you get 3 time frames: past, present and future. Let's look at an example that they give us, the exam board AQA gives us. So when it talks about what you did in your in your holidays last year, so you want past tense here. I recommend that you use words from the bullet point to help you with the answer, to demonstrate you're answering that bullet point. So, for example, you could have from this first bullet point, in my holidays last year, en mis vacaciones el año pasado. Make sure you change your tus to mis, or your tu to me, or your te to me, to make sure, just change the t. Typically the change the T to an M, and if you can remember it's me or mis, that's great. Okay, and then you could get some past tensing. So, for example, en mis vacaciones el año pasado fui a, or hice, I did. So I went, I did, I played, jugué, any past tense you can think of. Second bullet point. Si prefieres ir de vacaciones con tu familia o con el colegio. So you want any opinion here. For example, prefiero, I prefer, me gusta, I like. Then you can use words from the bullet point. Ir de vacaciones, to go on holiday. Instead of con tu familia, you want con mi familia, with my family. Or you might be saying con el colegio, with school. Whichever one it is, pick one or the other to show that you have a preference. Third bullet point. So what you're going to do to celebrate your next birthday, so you can use words from the bullet point again. So you could say, para celebrar mi próximo cumpleaños, to celebrate my next birthday. Voy a, I'm going to, for example, voy a ir, I'm going to go. Voy a hacer, I'm going to do. Voy a comer, beber, I'm going to eat or drink, whatever that thing is. And on the fourth bullet point, what activities do you like doing to help other people? Again, you can use the verb words from the bullet points. Para ayudar a otras personas, to help other people. Me gusta, I like, and then anything you can say you like doing, as long as it seems like it's going to help other people. It could be even hacer ejercicio con mis amigos, whatever it is, whatever you know how to say, as long as you mention para ayudar a otras personas. So use words from the bullet points to help you with this. Okay, this is just a short first video on this topic. I will go into more detail with an example to talk you through, an example from the exam board, and also the other options as well.